I'm Dr. Indu Khosla, pediatric pulmonologist here at the SRCC Children's Hospital, which is managed by Narayana Health. Today I'm going to talk on a very pertinent topic, and I will talk in both English and Hindi so that most of you can understand. So, haven't you noticed that children are coughing a lot today? And I'm talking about younger children. Every other day, you may have noticed that your child is coughing. खांसी, सर्दी, दवाई लो, नेबुलाइजेशन लो, एंटीबायोटिक्स लो और 2 हफ्ता अच्छा नहीं कि फिर से खांसी सर्दी और ये हर बच्चे के साथ है. Some parents may have history of allergy, asthma, so it is still understandable कि it is in their genes कि माँ बाप को है वो प्रॉब्लम और बच्चे को भी बार बार खांसी सर्दी हो रही है. But even without a family history, most children are coughing a lot. And this is increased in the last 5 to 6 years to another level, so much so that not only the parents but even doctors are wondering what to do with this increase in the incidence of cold and cough. So, first of all, one has to understand, is it a normal viral cold and cough जो सादा सर्दी बुखार हल्की सी खांसी जो 2-4 दिन में अच्छी हो रही है, वो एक प्रकार की खांसी है. एक दूसरी प्रकार की खांसी है जो सिर्फ खांसी है और इतनी ज़्यादा कि रात में कंटिन्यूअस बच्चे को खांसी है. कभी-कभी बुखार होता है, मोस्टली तो बुखार भी नहीं होता है और कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि इस बच्चे को दम भी लग रहा होता है. तो बार-बार खांसी और एक खांसी अच्छी हुई नहीं कि फिर से हो गई, एक अच्छी हुई नहीं कि फिर से हो गई. ये खांसी कुछ अलग किस्म की खांसी है. और तीसरे किस्म की खांसी है जो खांसी जाती ही नहीं है, मतलब 1-2 हफ्ता कंटिन्यूअस चल रही है और किसी-किसी को बलगम वाली खांसी जिसको हम वेट कॉफ बोलते हैं, वैसी खांसी तो दूसरी बीमारियों का लक्षण है. मैं ये बीच वाली खांसी के बारे में बात करना चाह रही हूँ, जिस बच्चे को बार-बार खांसी होती है, अच्छे होते हैं और फिर से होती है और इतनी खांसी कि everybody gets distressed with the cough. The cough is horrible, continuous, sometimes with breathlessness. Many of these children will respond to something called as nebulization. You will take to the hospital और काफ़ी घरों में तो आज nebulizer is like a part of the normal furniture कि खांसी हुई नहीं कि parents are nebulizing themselves. What do you do with these kind of coughs? So, what's in a name, said Shakespeare. Is this asthma? Is it not asthma? Very difficult to say. Because even if you have a family history कि आपके मम्मी पापा को या आपके दादा परदादा नाना नानी किसी को खांसी है तो maybe it is asthma. But if it is not there, also many children are coughing. What we need to do is we need to give these children a healthy life. We need to see that they do their activities. We need to see that they go to school regularly. So, what do we do to these children? So, the World Asthma Day theme is making inhaled treatment accessible to all. Yes, without putting a label, without even thinking, because asthma is a diagnosis which comes over time. You may not be able to make a diagnosis of asthma in younger children. Even the investigations, the tests that we have may not be applicable to very small children. Yes, we need to give inhaled treatment. Inhaled treatment is the way to go. It is safe, it gives low dose medicine directly into the lungs, and it prevents these children from getting recurrent coughs. The reasons of this cough are very many: viral infections, pollution, construction outside, which is increasing particulate matter. So, there are many reasons why this cough is increasing. But what we need to do is we need to act, at least at our level, what we can do to prevent these children from getting recurrent cough. Give them inhaled medicine. And if it works for your child, yes, you need to do a trial. If it works for your child, you need to continue it as per your doctor's advice for some time so that these children are not symptomatic and lead a normal quality of life. Thank you.